Alright guys, so I saw a post on, I think his Riot page, about this 1 mile challenge people have been doing, where basically you measure out 1 mile with a GPS or some sort of measuring device, and then you basically go wide open, full throttle, to that mile and back. So it's essentially a 2 mile round trip, and then you record your time and they upload it to a leaderboard. And I thought that was actually really cool, and as you know, done some speed videos in the past, so I thought it'd be a cool mix, because no way you can run a really high KV on 6S or something like that without exploding your motors, batteries, or ESCs. So this is kind of like a speed endurance type of deal. So anyways, here's what I came up with. This is Merica, of course, Mikato's Machine Works, and I've done something kind of cool, which is I doubled up these 1000 milliamp packs from China Hobby Line. They are 100C 6S packs, and got a little parallel connector here for the XT60. So essentially it's going to double my capacity. So I will have a 6S 2000 mAh pack. So I hope that's plenty. I think it should be okay. Probably more than enough, actually, probably more than I need. But anyway, so I just went ahead and took braces off my my frame here, made it a little bit more aerodynamic. Got a Crossfire receiver in there to make sure I get the full mile without any issues. I've been having some issues with this VTX, so I'm gonna bump up the power and hope for the best. So anyways, we'll see. Okay, motors. Got 2207 1750 kV motors. These are Brother Hobbies. We got a Hobby Wing 4-in-1 32-bit ESC, 45 amp. And I'm willing to kind of sacrifice the squad. It's got a Riot flight controller, which is actually a really good flight controller, but it's my only non-race flight quad. So this is the sacrifice for the FPV gods for the speed runs, endurance speed runs. Anyways. All right, so here we are at the spot. I got a clear shot ahead, 1 mile out. I'm gonna do a little recon first. So just the battery, kind of cruising, make sure video, RSSI, all that good stuff is working. I got the clear view set up, 2 patches facing straight out. Measured out with the GPS, mile on the dot. So we'll get started with that and take it then for the real speed run. Wind is, we got a slight crosswind, so that's a little less than favorable, but we'll make do. All right, so just going for a recon here.
Tracks are perfect.
The video's kind of shitty here.
Not so good.
What?
Yeah, it's not so good.
No, if I go to the top, it'd be better. Here, what if I pitch?
Can I aim the clear view higher? I don't like that at all.
Man, that's not good, huh? It's way worse than yesterday.
How are you flying?
I'm just gonna have to commit. There's the turnaround right there.
Oh, there we go.
It's great on the way back.
Yeah.
What fell? Just the GoPro?
I think that was my quad. This thing got it.
It's great on the way back, but man, it's
try low ones.
Huh?
Try low.
Low on the way back?
Yeah. See, the video is so good. Dude, that looks so much cooler.
Ah! Jesus!
Whoa!
Oh my god! Okay, I'm not flying
What
low.
the fuck was that?
I don't know. Not flying low. Fuck that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. That was not cool.
No, I'm sorry. I told you to do that.
guy.
Sorry, I told you to do that. Oh, that was super close. My bad, my bad.
About the video, man.
Yeah.
Super sketchy.
I don't know why it's worse than yesterday.
Alright, we're set up, ready to go. Video was super sketchy on the trial run. Bring it back a little bit. So hopefully, that's good. Hopefully it's not that sketchy this time. We'll see.
Alright.
So we got a lock. Be clear on cars.
Yeah, that's why I didn't.
Let's take a look.
Yeah,
on this
you got a car coming.
Wait for this guy.
You got about 20 seconds.
Alright, here?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna go on the 2-minute mark on the OSD.
4, 3. So far, so good.
Battery looking okay. Video looking shit.
I can't see shit.
I got it, I'm still good. Somewhere there. Nope, still there. Okay, turn.
Legal. You're good.
I might have went past it a little bit. It's okay.
Bring it home.
Home stretch, baby. Come on. Come on.
You're ahead of it.
It's fucking moving. Come on.
Alright, you got it. You got it. Those power lines hit. Nice. You're so close.
Moving.
Nice.
Woo!
58.
58?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's 58.
Holy. That's over 120 mile an hour average. Woohoo!
Got it.
Nice. Alright, still have battery to spare. Where are we at? Land on the grass.
Nice.
Woo!
Got it.
Turn. Okay, hand me that so you can show the camera the setup.
Batteries are barely warm.
So there it is. Got 2,000 6S packs in parallel. APC props, 1750 kV. This antenna is probably broken, but we did it. Alright, so now we got my buddy Frenchie FPV. So he's up next. Another Merica. APC props as well. Double stacked battery. Vertically, so not how I did it. So we'll see. He's beaching a little bit. He doesn't want to launch across the street. Fair enough. So it'll be an invalid. I mean, it's about, he'll be missing, I don't know, 30 feet, whatever. 60 feet total. So we'll just add a couple seconds, second or two, I don't know. So whenever you're ready, French. I got your DVR on mine.
Ready?
Ready. I'm gonna set this down here. And she's moving.
Yeah, it's real fast.
video's perfect. Oh, did you lift?
Nope. It like did a weird thing when I yawed.
Remember those power lines are good. Now aim, power line there. Keep going. We're almost there, almost home. Home stretch. Keep going, keep going.
Bird.
Woo! Sweet. Yeah, so Frenchie's video was so much better, so a lot less sketchy than mine.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with mine. Maybe it's my VTX or my antenna. I don't know if I have damage, but
It's that VTX.
it was definitely really scary. Like, I mean, I've been doing a bunch of kind of test flights just to get a feel for, you know, the signal and video. I knew the video was going to be terrible, but I'd never done it wide open like that. So I kind of had a reference. I could just make out my the intersection that I had the 1 mile marker at, and I did have to. I lost video completely almost at one point, and I had to kind of yaw a little bit. And when I yawed, it kind of recovered some video or some signal strength, and I was able to spot out the intersection. I had to correct it a little bit, so I definitely gave up just you know, maybe a second on that small correction. And but it's still really good fun, and obviously on the way back it was great. So man, it gets your heart pumping for sure. It's a lot of fun though, so maybe we'll try this again, maybe get some more power. These are both 6S setups on 6S batteries, so not really pushing for power, just trying to make sure it makes it there and back. So a lot of fun.